Good morning. So last night, I didn't even put my tent up. I decided instead I would just sleep in my hammock. So I did. But one point in the night, I got a little bit chilly. So I got up and put my puffy jacket on, and that seemed to do the trick. And I slept okay. I won't say I slept great, but I slept good enough. Going to go to Dragon's Tooth today. Dragon's Tooth sounds really cool, so I'm pretty excited for that one. It's the beginning of what they call the Virginia Triple Crown, which includes Dragon Tooth, McAfee's Knob, and Tinker Cliffs. So today will be Dragon's Tooth. Tomorrow I'll get to McAfee's, and then we'll see about Tinker's Cliff. It's going to be either tomorrow or the next day, so probably depending on weather. Last night, sitting there eating dinner, and guess who showed up? Sojourner came hiking in. I haven't hiked with him or camped with him since before the knock. So that was really cool to see him. I got to see him and Tree Frog both within a 3-day period. So really happy to see those guys. Getting to catch up a little bit, stuff like that. So Sojourner is doing some pretty good mileage, so he's going to pass me up today. But that's okay. I got to see him, and hopefully I'll get to see him again down the trail. So pretty excited for the day. Beautiful weather, it looks like. Clear all day long, no rain. So, yeehaw. Can't wait. Well, I can say over the past 3 days, I've seen 3 sets of deer. So 3 days ago, I saw 2 deer running through the forest. I couldn't get my camera out in time, and I don't think I couldn't even see them clear enough to where I could hardly tell they were deer. I could see their butts, and that's about it. Yesterday, you saw that deer. I finally got a picture of one. And then today, I just saw 3 deer go across. And I got a video of one of them. Not very good, but I'm seeing plenty of deer now, and I'm actually being able to capture them on video or picture, so that's awesome. Saw a bunch of lizards yesterday. That was pretty cool. So hopefully that'll continue. I figure with the rocks coming up and everything else, I'm not going to be surprised if I don't see a rattler. So see what that happens there. Yeah, beautiful day. I'm already sweating. I've probably been walking for 30 minutes and I'm sweating pretty good. So it's going to be warm, humid. Going to drink lots of water. But absolute gorgeous day, and already seen some deer, so cool. So this is an Audie Murphy memorial. Audie Murphy, as the plaque says, died in a plane crash near here in 1971. So they put a memorial up for him here. If you don't know who Audie Murphy is, I suggest you look him up. True American hero. And glad I got to see this. Definitely glad I got to see this. Thank you for your service, sir. So this overlook is just beyond the Audie Murphy Memorial, and it is quite a view. And I'm definitely glad I came down here to check it out. I'm gonna eat some lunch here, relax for a little while. Got about 10 more miles to get up to Dragon's Tooth, and it is some really good climbing coming up, so gonna need the energy. But yeah, what a beautiful spot. The second big pile of rocks I've seen today on this hill within the last half mile. I'm curious if settlers here a long time ago did just clear the land and pile the rocks up. I don't know any other reason to be like that. Interesting. 700 miles down. Oh, buddy boy. I am at Dragon's Tooth in Virginia, part of the Triple Crown. I believe that is the tooth there. Looks like it's going to be amazing up here. Today's hiking was 14.5 miles with 4,700 feet of elevation, so not too bad. A little bit technical at the end, last mile or so, rock climbs and stuff like that. But Nimblewill Nomad has said that you had to go down there and just straight down through there for the AT. Now the AT is up there and it cuts down and around the rock face now. So I'm sure that was pretty exciting back in the day. So that was 30 years ago. So this is a beautiful, beautiful spot though. I'll have some really good pictures coming up, I'm sure. Hopefully that rain will hold off. This is my buddy Hawkeye sitting on top of the Dragon's Tooth. Look at this view we are enjoying. Absolutely amazing. That sun coming through the clouds is gorgeous. I can't turn around, so I gotta go all the way back around this way. We are very fortunate people to be able to enjoy something like this. It's a little bit down. Yeah. Unbelievable. Say hello, guys. Sitting on top of Dragon's Tooth. Absolutely amazing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Up here watching the end of this beautiful sunset. It's been an amazing day. I said bear. Say hello, brother.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Yeah, what a great day this has been. It's 2 days in a row. It's been just phenomenal. Virginia has not disappointed even in the slightest. Beautiful. Can't wait to see what tomorrow brings at McAfee. Good morning. Getting ready to head out of Dragon's Tooth now. Gonna go down to Catawba grocery store, get a resupply for about a day and a half. And then we'll head into Roanoke for a zero. We're going up to McAfee Knob later today for another sunset sunrise, hopefully. Can't wait. Gonna hang out with brother again today. We're gonna hike together for a while, and let's see what it brings. It's not very far. It's like 12.5 miles or something like that. So pretty excited. Hopefully I can get some breakfast down at this grocery store, you know, outside the normal breakfast. Beautiful sunrise this morning. So it's going to be another beautiful day, as you can tell. I mean, look at that. Amazing, right? Rawies Rest, Rawies Rest, and I will say it's pretty amazing. The sunrise from here would have been absolutely beautiful too. What's up, turtle? Turtle, turtle. McAfee's Knob, absolutely amazing. Everything it has been billed to be. Phenomenal. Do believe that is Daleville and Roanoke. Roanoke off in the distance over there. I think Daleville is right there, or maybe over there, I'm not sure. That's an airport actually right there. Oh, this is so cool. Yesterday was Dragon's Tooth, was amazing, and this is absolutely astounding. So today was 11.7 miles, about 3,200 feet of elevation, so not a bad day at all. I will say that Dragon's Tooth yesterday, climbing up on top, was amazing and absolutely worth it. But McAfee's knob now, I think is how you pronounce it actually, is astounding. I mean, truly, it keeps going around that way, and it goes all the way around and around. So I don't think I'm going to get a sunset due to the clouds and maybe rain, but like if you look at those, that's really cool. So who knows what's going to happen. But yeah, so today has been amazing. It's a Triple Crown. Tomorrow we're going to go to Tinker's Cliffs, and we'll see how that looks. And I'm excited. We're going to camp here tonight. I'm sure I'll probably spend some time on this rock wishing the stars would come out, but we'll see. This place is amazing. Absolutely beautiful. And there's just not a whole lot to be said for it. So I am a lucky individual, and I'm very thankful for it. So, wow. Look at that.
Oh yeah, we saw that one from over there.
That's really cool. Very defined. Good morning. Fortunately, we didn't get a sunrise, but that is still gorgeous. Tinker Cliffs are coming up in a little bit, about 5 miles. And then it's on to Roanoke for a 0. My right hip is telling me I need it. Go.
I think that that's McAfee's Knob. We come down this ridge line and up this way. Last night we were staring down these parallel ridge lines, and I think Daleville is back behind us now. We're gonna go down that way.
Awesome.
Right?
Loves the birds. It's not a clear video, but I'm trying to video this bird. Super beautiful, bright red with black feathers. Yeah, I think I lost him. The tree is bent over the top of this rock, and I am pretty sure it's still alive. How cool. This is the monolith, or as brother says, just some cool rock. I'd say it's pretty cool. This is hay rock. Pretty wild. It doesn't look that big on video. It is huge. So we're almost done with the day. Got about a mile left. 16.1 miles a day. Brother and I decided that we would challenge ourselves to see if we could get the 16.1 miles done between 7:30 and 2:30 with breaks and everything. And we are about 1 mile out. We got 30 minutes left to go. So I'd say mission definitely is going to be accomplished. So beautiful day, lots to look at. Started at McAfee's Knob, went to Tinker's Cliffs, saw a ton of overlooks. Not sure what river that is, but we had a beautiful view of the river coming across the ridgeline today for probably 2 or 3 miles. Absolutely outstanding day. The weather held up for us, no rain at all, no thunderstorms, no lightning, no nothing. So cannot complain, not even a little bit. And going into Roanoke for a 0. Gonna go get a big burger, I'm sure. A nice soda sounds good. Always a cup of coffee, as you all know. And yeah, just a great week. Tiring, but accomplished. I feel doing the Triple Crown of Dragon's Tooth and sitting on top of that, watching a sunset and a sunrise the next morning. Going to McAfee's Knob yesterday. Unfortunately, we didn't get a sunset or sunrise, but it was still absolutely gorgeous. Couldn't have asked for much more. Tinker's Cliffs, just astonishing. So, Triple Crown was amazing. And Virginia continues to not disappoint. Yeah, we'll see y'all after the 0. Wild strawberries everywhere. Give them another week. Nice and plump and juicy and tasty and sweet, hopefully. Because right now they're not too sweet.